Well, may mga existing pong disqualification case laban sa inyo. Vote buying po yung inaakusa sa inyo, tas labas pa yan doon sa mga supposed election violations kahapon during the election day. At tinangka pa nga pigilan yung inyong proclamation ng inyong kalaban na si Reden Liaga. Ano pong masasabi mo dito?
Um, Historically,
Hmm.
the ACOPs have been, well, my dad and my mom, they have been unopposed in the last four elections.
Mhm.
Tayo naman po, hindi naman po sa pagbubuhat ng bangko ay nag-top nung elections for councilor in 2016 and 2019,
Hmm.
having garnered the highest votes in Antipolos history. So, and also, when we went out to campaign during the 29-day period, we actually used the house-to-house method wherein
Mhm.
umikot ho kami, kumatok, nakipag-usap, nakisalamuha sa mga tao, and ended up, I think we had like almost 500 kilometers during the 29-day period na allowed to campaign.
Mhm.
We never resorted to paninira, panlilinlang, na if you look at the methods of some of our katunggali, ganun po yung nagawa. So, I let the method speak for itself,
But
kumbaga.